This is the little brother to the VIP in the Note 12 series because they both have the same processor which has been optimized for better performance, same AMOLED display but lacks a high refresh rate, and it is going for 133,000 naira or $210 in the market. What's up guys, it's Michael and we have everything inside the box plus the 1.5 gig data for MTN users in Nigeria when you purchase this device. At least you can update all your apps and download Free Fire with the remaining MB. Now, this display is looking fantastic, but when I picked it up, I immediately noticed it was slow. Then I had to check the settings to be sure if the high refresh rate was turned on, and I noticed this beautiful looking 6.7-inch AMOLED display doesn't have a high refresh rate, not even 90Hz. I am so sad, especially as it comes with a water drop notch and a full HD resolution. The Infinix Note 12 G96 is made out of plastic, and yes, there's a 95% chance I won't use the included case since it isn't glossy, but you may need it just in case you want to avoid story that touches the heart. The design is really cute, like Slay Queens will say. We get two storage variants, which are 128 and 256GB of internal storage, which is the new norm for devices around this price point, paired alongside 8GB RAM. But if you need a little bit more RAM, you can get up to 5GB with memory fusion. Since the Helio G96 didn't disappoint on the Note 11 Pro, it has been better here because the optimization here is a little bit better by 8% from my experience using both devices. Gaming on the Mali G57 GPU at max settings is playable, which real gamers will notice the lags while gaming. As usual with devices from the brand, we get loads of unwanted Infinix and Transsion Holdings pre-installed apps, which if I can trade them, they will be worth one Infinix X3 TV. It runs on Android 12 with XOS 10.6 custom skin that has those naughty ads, you know what I mean. At the top we have nothing, on the left we have the card tray, on the right we have the volume rockers and the power button, which also serve as a fingerprint sensor with a little bit of delay while unlocking. While at the bottom we have the headphone jack, mic, USB-C port and speaker. Infinix has really surprised me this year by including a stereo speaker on this device while retaining the headphone jack. The Note 12 G96 comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery that can last a whole day depending on how you use it. And now that there is no high refresh rate, there is nothing that will kill it really fast, and it takes 100 minutes to fully charge this device from 0 to 100% with the included 33W power brick. The 50 megapixel triple camera setup at the rear takes really good photos and videos. It seems Infinix has changed the team that handles this department. Unfortunately, I lost all the files of the photos and videos, but I'll make an update on them on my socials when I get them. Just follow me with the link in the description box below on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Do you remember Folax, the AI assistant by Infinix? We also have it here with no improvement. Would you buy this device if you have the money for it? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out this video here if you are interested in getting a US virtual phone number, or here if you want a USB-C hub for your MacBook, tablet or smartphone. Check out this playlist here and I will see you there.